Imagine going from poverty and hardship to becoming one of the wealthiest and most influential women in the world. It's a story that has inspired millions and continues to attract audiences to this day. In this video, we will discuss the incredible journey of one remarkable individual who defied the odds and built an empire, Oprah Winfrey. From humble beginnings to unprecedented success, join us as we uncover the secrets behind how Oprah Winfrey got rich. Prepare to be inspired, motivated, and amazed by this extraordinary tale of resilience, determination, and unstoppable ambition. Rising from humble beginnings, Oprah's journey is a classic tale of rags to riches. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi to an unwed teenage mother, Oprah faced numerous challenges and obstacles that seemed insurmountable. Oprah overcame the trauma of being molested at age 14, which caused her to become pregnant. Her infant son was born prematurely and died as an infant. But Oprah did not let her past haunt her. In high school, Oprah landed a job in radio, and she swiftly climbed the ranks, showcasing her natural talent and captivating presence. By the time she was 19 years old, Oprah became a co-anchor for the local news.
Police are still attempting to identify the body of a young man who was found stabbed to death in a suspected partially clothed, leading police to suspect.
As an anchor for the morning show, People Are Talking, she was hugely successful and beat Phil Donahue's ratings. Following this success, Oprah was given a 30-minute show called AMC Chicago in 1984, which exploded in ratings. This show was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show, and it was expanded to 60 minutes. The Oprah Winfrey Show was a turning point in Oprah's life because this groundbreaking talk show revolutionized television. It also made Oprah the first African-American woman to host a nationally syndicated show at the age of 32, and she became a millionaire. The Oprah Winfrey Show lasted for 25 years, and it still holds the record for the highest-ranked American talk show on television. With her empathetic interviewing style and ability to connect with viewers on a deeply personal level, Oprah captured the hearts and minds of millions of people around the world. As the host of her own talk show, Oprah became a household name, captivating audiences with her warmth, authenticity, and unparalleled ability to connect with people from all walks of life. Her show became a platform for sharing inspirational stories and promoting personal growth. The show also tackled a wide range of topics, from heartfelt interviews with celebrities to addressing pressing social issues. It also provided a platform for ordinary individuals to share their stories and experiences, making it a powerful force for positive change.
So I understand you drove him to prison, right?
I did. I'll never forget that morning. He came home at 4 o'clock in the morning, drunk, and I woke to a noise outside the master bedroom.
I think you have kind of this perfect life, and it's never really perfect. I mean, there's always struggles, but it seemed like a good life, and you just don't want to look always at the signs. And if you had looked.
For over 2 decades, Oprah captivated viewers worldwide, making her show an essential part of their daily lives. Through her authenticity and willingness to tackle challenging topics, Oprah solidified her status as a trusted and influential figure in the media industry. And The Oprah Winfrey Show cemented her status as a media powerhouse, propelling her towards immense wealth and influence. During her remarkable journey, Oprah Winfrey didn't limit herself to just one domain. She believed in the power of diversifying ventures and expanding her empire. As her influence grew, she ventured into various business endeavors that showcased her entrepreneurial acumen. From launching her own production company, Harpo Productions, to co-founding the women's cable network, OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network, Oprah demonstrated her ability to take calculated risks and capitalize on opportunities. Beyond media, Oprah expanded her brand into publishing, launching her own magazine, The Oprah Magazine, which became a resounding success. This relentless pursuit of new ventures not only allowed Oprah to broaden her reach, but also significantly contributed to her ever-growing wealth. Oprah Winfrey's incredible success goes far beyond financial wealth. She has used her success as a platform to make a profound difference in the world through philanthropy and social impact. Giving back has always been a core value for Oprah, and she has devoted significant time and resources to various charitable causes. From establishing the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for girls in South Africa to supporting education initiatives, empowering women, and advocating for children's rights, Oprah has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to improving lives and creating positive change. Her philanthropic endeavors have touched countless individuals and communities, leaving a lasting legacy of compassion and generosity. Oprah's generosity and compassion serve as a powerful reminder that true success lies not just in personal achievements, but also in the ability to uplift and empower those in need. Oprah Winfrey has achieved incredible financial success and record-breaking wealth. In 2023, Oprah's net worth stands at an impressive $2.5 billion, solidifying her status as one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. In addition to her media empire, Oprah's diverse investments have significantly contributed to her net worth. She has made strategic investments in various sectors, including Weight Watchers, where her involvement not only yielded substantial financial returns, but also showcased her commitment to personal well-being and empowerment. Furthermore, Oprah has become a beacon of hope, motivation, and empowerment for millions of individuals from diverse backgrounds. Through her talk show, books, speeches, and interviews, Oprah has consistently delivered powerful messages of self-discovery, personal growth, and resilience. Oprah Winfrey's legacy is one of profound influence and lasting impact. Her journey from a challenging childhood to becoming a self-made billionaire has inspired millions around the globe. Oprah Winfrey's influence will continue to inspire generations to come, reminding us all of the boundless possibilities that lie within each of us. Ultimately, her remarkable journey serves as an inspiration to anyone with a dream, proving that with relentless determination and an unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the incredible success story of Oprah Winfrey. From her humble beginnings to becoming one of the richest and most influential individuals in the world, Oprah's journey is an inspiration to us all. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of how Oprah Winfrey got rich and found it both informative and inspiring. If you did, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content, and share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below.